हेलो बच्चों, सब कैसे हो? ऑल आर फाइन? हाँ, सब ठीक हो ना? तो आज हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. ओके, एक्सरसाइज पार्ट करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. द सिक्स वाइज The six wise men had a swim across the river because they wanted to reach the bank safely. Bank मतलब उस पार, ठीक है. तो वो सेफली पहुंचना चाहते थे, है ना. तो वो भी है. उन्हें स्विम क्यों करना पड़ा? क्योंकि उधर एक भी बोट नहीं थी. ओके. All the wise men counted five because एक counted only the others. वो खुद को काउंट नहीं कर रहे थे, वो दोनों दूसरों को ही काउंट कर रहे थे. I will bring you six men back. Who said this? The villager. Some answers are given below. Change them into question by replacing the color by the words with question words from those given below. First द वाइस मैन, इसके ना हमें क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट का देखो, इधर लिख रही हूँ. द वाइस मैन डिसाइड टू गो ऑन अ जर्नी. तो किसने बोला था ये? तो कैसे का? हु डिसाइडेड. तो वाइस मैन था, तो फिर वाइस मैन को हटा के हम क्या लिखेंगे? हु decided, decided to go on a journey. Second, they all reached the other bank of the river. Where did they reach? They all reach. ऐसे लिखेंगे. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म बना रहे हैं हम. Where did, ये बुक कॉपी में करना है, ठीक है. Where did they all reach? Third, he did not count himself. Whom did he not count? Whom did he not count? कोई आंसर लिखा हुआ है कि हिमसेल्फ को नहीं देखा था. तो फोर्थ, they returned because it was not a good day. Why did they return? तो आंसर लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि उधर वो दिन अच्छा नहीं था. Why did they return? Why did they return? Question mark, ठीक है. Fifth, these wise men are really foolish. How are really these wise men? How are really these wise men? ओके. तो ये हमने पांचों को क्वेश्चन में बना लिया. अब नेक्स्ट, राइट T against the true statement and F against the false statement. Only 5 villagers started on the journey. False. There are 6. They counted themselves 5, but they were really 6. True. Each one of them did not count himself. True. A man from their village also counted them. True. So the wise man did not thank you the villager. False. Thank you बोला था. Okay. Match the given words. Okay, match करना है. Decided, select, settled. First. Missing, not present. Second. Q, to stand one other. ये इनके मीनिंग्स है. ये वर्ड्स इनके मीनिंग्स है. Stand one other. Third. Wrap, bowl. Silly, foolish. Counted, found the number. Journey, a travel. Unfortunate, bad. Okay. Fine. Match the column also complete. Question answer. ठीक है. इसको हम आधा आधा करेंगे. 9 है ना, डिवाइड करो. तो हम देखते हैं आज 5 या 4 क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. राइट. फर्स्ट लिखो. हाउ मैनी men went out on a journey? Right. 6 men went out on a journey. Okay. Second. Why did they swim across the river? They swam across 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 the river because because there was no boat. Was no boat boat. Third. When did they count themselves? They count themselves okay, sorry. They counted counted themselves. themselves themselves, comma, they when. okay, कॉमा के बाद क्या आएगा? when they reached the other bank of the river. Okay, fine. Question number 4. Why were they sad after counting themselves? Question number 4. After counting, counting. After counting themselves, comma, here is a comma, themselves के बाद comma डालना. They were sad because they thought 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 that they thought they were five and one of them was drawn. And five के बाद क्या है, comma, and one and one of them was drawn. ओके फाइन. आज 4 क्वेश्चन ही करेंगे, कल इसके बाकी करेंगे. ये 4 क्वेश्चन अपनी कॉपी में लिख लेना और ये वाला होमवर्क भी अपनी कॉपी में कर लेना. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन होमवर्क 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 हम कल करेंगे. ओके बाय. टेक केयर.